Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable activating a debit card with Navy Federal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable your debit card with Navy Federal, start by locating your Navy Federal debit card. Make sure you have your card handy for the activation process. Next, visit the Navy Federal website or open the Navy Federal mobile app on your device. If you choose to use the website, log in to your online banking account. If you're using the mobile app, sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Card Services option in the menu. Select Debit Card Activation from the available options. You will be prompted to enter your debit card number. Input the number carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. Next, enter the expiration date and the security code found on the back of your card. After entering your information, click the Submit button to proceed. You may also receive a confirmation prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Once activated, you will see a confirmation message on your screen. Your Navy Federal debit card is now ready for use. Be sure to note any additional information provided, such as travel notifications. If you have any issues during the process, consider contacting Navy Federal Customer Service for assistance. Now you can confidently use your newly activated debit card for your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.